Hello everyone, welcome back for another class. Let's begin. Try to inhale deeply. Inhale and exhale. Get ready for the practice. Sit down. Try to put your hip on the ground. If you can, if you cannot, you can put something under. Okay. Rotate your pelvis forward. Pike your back. Get ready to move your hips up. Bring your right arm behind your head and open your chest towards the right side. Exhale, switch. Sit down, back. Bring your hip up, your left arm. Awesome. Sit down. Both arms behind your head and hollow, open. Awesome. Keep going. Try to push from your elbows as wide as you can. Open your arms, bring them on the ground, raise your knees off the ground, and we start to step back and forward from each leg. Slowly. 3, 4, one more, 5. Then with right first. Okay, go ahead. Try to push from your shoulders. Keep moving. Same 5 times. Good job. Plank. Hold. Few more seconds and we continue with thoracic spine. Bring your knees on the ground. Straight arms. From your right arm, push up and twist. Exhale. Then back hollow. Then again open up and flex. 3, 4, arch. Good, your lower back and thoracic spine open. Switch side. Left goes up and hollow and open up. Hollow and open up. Your pelvis and thoracic spine here works together. Good job. Back. Raise your knees off the ground. Hold a bit. Push from your arms up. Arms and shoulders. Down facing dog. Keep your palms closer to each other. Push your shoulders down. Exhale. Good job. Breathe. Forward. Lie down. Arms closer to your chest. We raise our hip up and we open our left leg towards the side straight. And now switch to the right. Lie down forward. Move your hip back. Okay. Right side again. Keep going. Your shoulders, you move them a little bit more towards the back side. Good. Go ahead. Lie down. Exhale. Push. Keep your legs straight, open towards the side. Awesome. Go ahead. Yes. Few more. Okay, exhale. Upper facing dog. Release. Move your hip back. Arms closer. Down facing dog. Push your shoulders down. Keep your palms closer to each other. Good. Exhale. We continue. Lie down. Then we move same. Our hip up, leg towards the side. But then we add straight arm forward. Hold. Here we work left arm, right leg, and then we switch. Right arm, left leg. And up. Try to keep your legs straight, arms straight forward. Engage your lower back, pelvis. Go ahead. Work on control. Stability. Go ahead. Yes, keep your legs straight. Awesome. Lie down, exhale. Push up. Good job. Hold. Lock your body. Go ahead. Upper facing dog. Release. Move your hip back. Hollow your upper back. Good job. Full plank position. Awesome. Go ahead to lizard pose. Bring your left knee on the ground, right leg forward, and elbows on the ground. Exhale. Feel that nice and easy stretch. Good job. Straight arms forward. Exhale more. Good. Awesome. Back. Full plank, and then we change side. Good. Left leg forward, right knee on the ground, elbows on the ground. Exhale. Good job. Straight arms. Exhale. Back. Full plank position, hold. We continue with some more hip conditioning. Drop your right knee on the ground. Your left leg goes back straight. And then we raise it up and start to open towards the side. Good. Get ready. We're moving our hip forward and then open your left leg towards the side and back. 2. Go ahead. 3. Yes. 4. Try to move your hip square. 5. Hold. Switch. Left knee on the ground. Right leg starts to open towards the side. 1. And back. 2. You need to move your hip from your leg right now. 3. Go ahead. 4. 5. Bring them back. Square. 6. Hold. Good. Back. Down facing dog. Exhale. Feel that good stretch in your hamstrings. Get ready. Bend your right leg. Bring your right toe towards the left knee. And we go to upper facing dog. Your knee open towards the side. Exhale. Good job. Slowly back to down facing dog, and then we switch. Left toe goes on your right knee and fall forward. Upper facing dog. Good job. Awesome. Back slowly. Down facing dog. Awesome. Slowly step forward. Yes. Open your legs wide a little bit. Bring your hip down. Exhale. Open your thoracic spine a little bit. Right arm goes up. Push your left knee. Switch. Open your chest. Twist your spine. Good job. Go ahead. Sit down. We continue with abs a little bit. And that's it. Straight legs. Arms open towards the side. Hold. Bring them behind the head and start working. Side. 4. Go ahead. 6. Bring your elbow towards your knee. Go ahead. 9. 10. Keep moving. 2. 3. 4. Awesome. 5. 6. 7. Hold. Open your legs towards the side and we go to pancake. Try to fold forward fully. Keep your back straight, lengthening through the spine. Okay, back up. Legs together. Second set. Go ahead and 1, 2. Keep moving. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. 1. Go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Open legs to the side. One more pancake. Fold forward, lengthening through the spine. Awesome. Exhale. Good job. Bend your legs slowly. Let's stretch a little bit towards the side. And that's it for today. Exhale. Forward a little bit. Awesome. Open your chest. Again, right arm goes up, then left. Awesome. Then towards the side. Arms up, behind your head. Then towards the left side. And towards the right side. Good job. That's it. Thank you for the class. Have a good day. Take care of your body and wish you all the best. Bye bye.